A very good afternoon and a warm welcome to Cheshire Cars' latest acquisition, this beautiful 2019 on a 69 plate BMW 220i Coupe, 8-speed automatic, finished in this amazing colour of mineral grey metallic. An absolutely fantastic combination of specification. Some of the specification was upgraded from factory, and we'll run through those with you very shortly. The car's covered just a fraction under 14,000 miles. It's actually covered at the moment 13,991. We will be taking it to our workshop partners for an inspection. All the servicing previously has been with BMW, and it is in the photographs that we've taken in the portfolio. So have a look at the images that we have recorded the service history. All the servicing was by BMW. It's a privately owned car. We purchased the car directly about a week ago, and then we've put it through the processes that we have here. All the tyres fitted are matching, old Potenza, Bridgestone Potenza, and the vehicle has an upgrade of some black high gloss front grills. It has rear privacy glass and these 19-inch upgraded polished and painted wheels, an N performance braking and an M Pro pack, so some very valuable extra features, not forgetting of course this metallic mineral grey paint finish. Let me take you into the car. And as we do that, we'll talk a little bit about what we offer here. So we've been in business almost 28 years, and we have an enviable reputation for good and straightforward and honest car dealing. All our reviews are available on Auto Trader, Facebook and Google, and please do take a look through some of the reviews. We have reviews from buying cars like this to reviews from selling cars. So we have hundreds of positive reviews. Please do take your time to have a look at some. There's not a lot I can tell you about the front of the car. Might be the odd stone chip somewhere, but we would be hard pressed to find one. We've certainly not found one. I think Neil has gone around it. I'm just looking. There's a tiny one just there, and that might be another one. So there's a very small, beautiful gaps. All the gaps are fantastic. We look at the car on inspection. We take a paint reader with us to measure the paint thickness, and we're looking at paint thickness and gaps, and the vehicle was sold to us by a very pleasant family, and very delight to deal with, to be honest. There are the wheels, unmarked, fantastic, ready to go. There's the M Performance braking, nice blue brake calipers. You've got an extra set of pistons in the front one, so it's an improved braking performance, which just gives you an extra little piece of reassurance. Tyres again are in fantastic condition. There's no undue signs of wear on the tyres whatsoever. We will have it through our workshop partners, and that might well go up this afternoon actually. We have got one to come and take from there. So that's the traffic news. Let me just turn off the traffic news. There we go. So leather Dakota, black Dakota with exclusive stitching. Exclusive stitching is this, the double stitch here. Nice thing, nice touch. Air conditioning of course, 8-speed automatic ZF gearbox, Bluetooth, voice activated, and also I think potentially you have got the option, I'm pretty sure of it, to upgrade to Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. There are some businesses that will do that for you, I'm pretty sure of it. But it is Bluetooth, and you can play your music through the speakers, and incidentally the speakers are Harman Kardon, which we have noted in the description. The back seats will fold through, so you have this nice pleasant rear view of the car. You have an M Performance spoiler, just a very subtle spoiler on the top of the boot there. That's factory fitted, it's part of the M Performance pack. And also you've got the M seat belts that you will see in the photographs. I'll try and show you that before we jump in. Run flat tyres. All the book pack is with the car, so too a spare second key fob. And let me just quickly demonstrate that underneath here you have a handle just here, and that makes that you can actually put the seat down just by bringing that forward, so you have got extra room if you need it. There's a hazard warning triangle. YF69 VEY 220i Coupe. So we've been delivering cars for 12 years, and we will deliver this car to your front door of your home if you wish. You're more than welcome to come and see it in Cheshire. We don't insist you take delivery. You're more than welcome to come up and see us here. But if you wanted delivery, a small deposit of £250 is payable, and then when either myself or Neil arrives at your door, you've driven it, you've seen it, you're happy with it, which you will be. We've never had to bring one back in 12 years, which we're very humbled about. But you then transfer the money by bank transfer. So there's very, very little risk, if any risk to you. And we have already emailed you all the papers and documents and service history. All those things will be emailed to you before any deposit is paid. And that deposit is usually £250, with the balance only being paid once we've arrived and you've seen, approved it and driven it. So if we hop in and just show you some of the features of the car. It is worth noting before we do that there are no smells in the vehicle, no animal or cigarette odours whatsoever in this vehicle, so it's smell free. So BMWs are pretty decent with the specification they give you. There is the mileage, if you can just see, 13991. Voice activation. Cancel. That's all functioning properly. It's DAB radio, of course. Just close the door, let us in the car, let us inside and knock out the outside noise. Heated seats, 3-stage seat heating, just there. Nice. I find with my Mini that position one is quite good enough, really. You can alter the characteristics of the gearbox. You've got Sport and Eco Pro on Comfort. It's defaulted to Comfort, but you can change it to Eco Pro and then Sport. Eco Pro just makes little use of some of the features. Maybe the air conditioning, I think, seems to be turned down onto a lower setting, so it just gets a little bit more miles per gallon. But Neil was getting, I think he got 44, 46 on the journey back from the south, so it's a decent economy figure. Park and reverse, neutral and drive. So if we just cover the, you've got rear parking sensors, by the way, but we just cover the and squeeze on the side here, this thumb here, squeeze there, bring it into drive, and it goes into drive. We're just too close to the parking sensors are picking up the obstacle behind us, so let's just go back into neutral. There we go. So it always catches me by surprise when I park quite close to the road, the wall, sorry. So here is the iDrive, and you have a menu, and then you just go on the wheel and move across. And as you can see, everything is hunky-dory. My phone is connected at the moment, so you can change it to map, and it will bring the map up, and if you go to the side, then you can do your route guidance. You can actually speak that as well. There's your spoken instructions, that's ticked. And then you've got traffic information which comes on, so we might just turn that off. Oh no, that's telling us where the issues are, so that's quite useful, isn't it? We'll leave that on, I think. And then let's go back to the home page. So that's that. I've shown you there's a Tiptronic, so you can go up and down the gearbox with the Tiptronic controls, or you can do it manually through the shifter. So you can go, let me just move this forward, just come away from that. There we are, we're away from that now. It's just picking up, there's a car behind us, so we move it across there. That puts it into manual sport, and then you've got a minus and a plus. If you go into the plus, it moves it up one, and if you go in forward, it moves it down one. It's very sensitive, the parking sensors, aren't they? You can't really override them from in the car. So let's go back into reverse, and we'll show you. Sorry, let's go back into reverse. So what you get then is you get the display coming up here, and we can just pick up, and there we go, park into park, and then that's secure. So park means that the vehicle won't roll away. The handbrake is extra to that, and that is really it. It's push button start just around the corner. Can I get you and show you? Just there, it's push button start. So yeah, turn the engine off. So it's available with car finance. There's also exchange available option. If you need either of those, we'll be delighted to discuss it with you. And it will be ready to go anytime soon once it's been through our workshop, which will be in the next 24-48 hours. So it's here physical. I'm just trying to think if it was a demo. I think it was a demo car from BMW, or a showroom car at least. And then there's the one private owner. So we can't technically sell you as a one owner car because it was registered to a BMW dealer where our client purchased it from with delivery mileage. So it's a two owner car, including a BMW showroom, fully serviced, 2 keys, in mineral grey, 220i. It's worth noting that on our website at www.webuyyourcar365.co.uk, that is the website you should visit if you want a price for your current vehicle. We will be delighted to offer you a good and fair, sensible offer. That's David Bilsborough, Cheshire Cars in Crewe. We look forward to hearing from you on this beautiful mineral grey 220i on a 69 plate. Have a fantastic day. There'll be more from myself and Neil in the coming days and weeks. Please check regular our YouTube channel, which has approaching 1,700 subscribers and has amassed over 1.2 million views. So we'll be delighted if you would consider subscribing to the channel. Have a fantastic day. Thank you.